Whoa, 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 what are you doing? What are you doing? You don't want to look at that. Then again, neither do I. So let's fix it. If you don't know, this was actually an open garage that I've closed off and converted into this room. So behind this wall here, we've actually got a roller door and about this much space that we now use for storage. So this gives me the perfect opportunity to run all my wires through to the other side of this wall and have all my wires, power points, etc. on the other side and totally out of sight. If you actually want to see me building this room, I'll link the video up here, go check it out. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a couple of holes straight through the wall so I can pass the cables through. One's going to be here behind the monitors. One's going to be behind this set of drawers. And the other's going to be behind this set of drawers. Okay, so while I drill that, you smash this. Now we just want to grab some of these things. Makes the holes look a bit nicer. So 12th to the 18th. Bloody hell. Shh, don't tell anyone. How many we need? 6. Alright, let's go. Now I'll just show you with this one, but it's the same for all of them. Pop this little thing out the middle. Stick that into the hole. Now you do the same on the other side. And then you can start grabbing your wires. And just thread them through. Now let's do that with the rest of them. Once you're done putting all the cables through, you're going to grab the other piece of the hole cover. Grab this, push this down to the side, bunch your cables together and clip that back in. Who's ready to see it? You ready to see it? Go on, do it.